Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Dr. Joey O, and today we're talking about AI. AI is literally taking over the world, and I know everyone keeps saying AI is going to take my job, AI is going to take my job, and I'm here to tell you today that AI will take your job. Yes, it will. Some of your jobs, not all of your jobs. But today, I actually want to start a series where I talk about the different roles and how AI could possibly take your job, or how you can use AI to help you to optimize your performance at your current job and show you how AI actually can take your job. Because I feel like everyone just keeps saying, AI will take your job. Nobody actually tells you how. But I also want you to not be afraid of AI. I want you to use AI as leverage for whatever thing that you're doing, to know that it's going to help you do and be better. So I want to actually show you how to level up with AI and not to be scared of AI. So don't forget to comment your profession down below so that I can see which one is more popular and focus on it. Remember, there's some physical roles that AI may not take over, but I can tell you how AI can be infused into your profession regardless. Today we're going to be talking about how AI has literally taken the jobs of product photographers. If this sounds like something that interests you, then welcome, and let's get right in. So I'm going to take you guys into Chrome and show you exactly how I do this. Okay, so first thing is this AI tool called artist.io. The first thing you're going to do is sign in and then use Google. Yeah, click on the shop to sign in. So now it's gonna say AI image and video. You go click on AI image and video, and it's gonna be text to image, image to image. So you could actually describe what you want artist.io to do for you, but this is like image to image. So I've taken a very, very rough shot of my products, jollof paste. If you guys love jollof rice and you live in Sydney, hit me up, or just go to Subsa and they will send it to you. Here you have to upload your image. So that's a rough image that I took with my phone. I want you guys to look at this image. So I took this image, literally, you can see the same frame in my kitchen, and I just literally used my phone. I didn't even want it to be pretty. Just to show you that you don't need a perfect image to do this. I've uploaded the image. It asks you can do two, but I mean, I'm not sure why. So it says generate for free, and I have 3 images and 1 video. Normally you get 5 images for free the first time, so I've obviously used some, which is, yeah, so don't waste it like, oh, make it look pretty. Don't do that. So I'm going to show you. First of all, go to ChatGPT. So now you're in ChatGPT, you can actually describe what you want your product to look like. Give me so you're basically going to ask ChatGPT to give you the prompt for artist.io, and then you copy that in. So with ChatGPT, you can just treat it like your little friend. You can get a little bit specific and be like, oh, give me this and give me that. And then you then put that into artist.io. So give me a prompt for an AI tool called artist.io, optimized for tool. I'm making this as non-technical as possible so you can know that you can actually engineer your own prompt from ChatGPT for another AI tool. It's like the best thing. And here you can just type like you don't have any knowledge about, you know, anything AI. I will be uploading a jollof paste bottle. You can type that I took with my phone, and I want a professional looking shot that has water droplets on a dark background. This is an image prompt. Professional looking product shot of the jollof paste bottle has water droplets on a dark background. I want the second prompt should be aesthetically pleasing. Think minimalistic, modern meets rustic. So burlap cloths, canvas grass, stained browns, terracotta, and neutrals. I'm gonna prompt it, and then it's gonna give me the prompt, which I will then use. Here are 2 artist.io optimized prompts. You can copy paste and use directly when you upload your phone photo of the jollof paste bottle. So let's copy that code. Go to artist.io and paste. This is a beginner-friendly tutorial, so I'm not doing any complex AI stuff. It's just like you can follow along and do the same thing. So let me read out the prompt to you. Image-to-image transformation. Enhance the uploaded jollof paste bottle into a professional product shot. Place the bottle on a sleek dark background, deep black or charcoal gray. You see the kind of detail that you'd never be able to do on your own. With dramatic studio-style lighting, add realistic cold water droplets on the glass surface to give it a fresh... in fact, AI... I already love it and I haven't even run it, but let's just see. Let's generate for free. Now I have 2 more images, so I have 1 more prompt to use. I think at the end of the day, like, I'm not really sure what the pricing is. I know this is not a sponsored video. Artist.io, please sponsor me because I love your app. Like, it's just such a detailed, you're gonna see what I mean. It's working, so it's gonna tell you start creating for free, generate your first AI images for free. So it's generating it. It's pretty quick too. Look at that. That is beautiful. Wow. That is beautiful. Let's zoom in. And the water droplets are not like, it's not too much. They're like minimal. But look at that. That is ready to go on your website. Did you guys see what I took with my phone? This is what I took and this is what it gave me. I think I love the fact that it kept its originality, the shape, the text. You know, a lot of the issues that we have with image generation with AI tools is just the text sometimes is so different. But look at that. That is ready to go on your site. Isn't it beautiful? Okay, so that's one example. Let's go in and give it the second prompt. So we're gonna go get that code, the minimalistic one, paste that here. So this one has a little bit more prompting around what should be in the scenery. So let's see how that is. Let's generate for free. And then I have one more image to generate, which I'm not gonna use here, you guys. And let's see what we get. Oh, that is cute. I really like that. But yeah, it's gone ahead and put like chilies in. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, look at that. That is beautiful. I love using neutrals and whites for things like this. It's aesthetically pleasing. I'm seeing animate. So it's put in its own animation prompt. Let's see. Animate for free. Animation looks like biggest animation. But of course you have those animations where it's like it's rotating and it's just beautiful and you can have like water droplets running down and things like that. If you guys want me to do like a prompt document, like an ebook or like a downloadable of different kinds of prompts that you would have your product sitting in, I can. But typically it's just about going into ChatGPT and telling it what you want and then describing it, and ChatGPT should ideally give you a prompt that you can use. Okay, we're almost there. 30%. Okay, so play. Look at that. That's cute. Very fast. I mean, you could have just gone into CapCut and done that. I just wasted my video. That wasn't a video. You're just zooming in. I thought the base would be dancing or something. And so there you have it. And yes, you can use Nano Banana to do this, and Nano Banana is currently free. So if you guys want me to do a tutorial using Nano Banana, please let me know and I will go ahead and do that for you. I hope you found this helpful. And now I just want to talk about how food photographers or product photographers can use AI to level up. Before now, you kind of had to do your business physically. You had to book an appointment with a client. You had to go there physically and then take photos of the product. But now with AI, you could literally have virtual consultations. It's actually a benefit or almost like an edge that you have to say that you offer product photography services using AI, and you tell them you have different packages. The one with AI comes out faster, it's a little bit more expensive, so you can increase your prices and say previously you would have to pay X amount for 30 shots, but now you have 100 shots in 5 variations in different backgrounds. And so it's like they're getting a whole lot more, because no matter how you look at this, not everybody's going to know how to use AI. So you can still leverage that. And now you don't have to physically go there. All you have to do is book a consultation with your potential client and then tell them, basically guide them how they can use their iPhone or whatever device is available to take, you know, the front, the side, whatever you need to get you the professional looking images. You're going to just one consultation, and then you're going to offer them your AI services and expertise to produce multiple images. It actually makes you have more output and more clients. Now you can actually put out Facebook ads that are targeting beyond whatever country you're in. You can literally put up an ad that says something like, imagine having to have one consultation and have 100 photos in just 3 days. Like, that's an ad that I would pay for. You know what I mean? So it's not about being afraid of what AI will do, but it's about embracing AI and seeing how you can utilize it to enhance and optimize your business so that it increases your productivity and also inadvertently increases your sales and your profit. So I hope this hasn't scared you too much, and it has actually empowered you to know how you can utilize AI for your services. If you want more specific tailored consultancy on how you can use AI for your business, definitely reach out to me down below. All my contact details are down below. I do offer virtual training for businesses. I offer training one-on-one. I offer coaching services. So definitely reach out. I'm just trying to tell you that AI is here to stay, but it's not the enemy. Let's try and think about the app era. Remember the app era, like, oh, apps for everything. Now we can't live without apps. So if you don't embrace it, you are going to be left behind. I hope you all found this video valuable, and I'm looking forward to seeing all the professions that you're going to be dropping in the comment section below. Also, please let me know how you're using AI in your everyday life as well. If you like more of these videos, let me know down below, and I'll make more and more and more of them and get you guys all educated and up to speed with AI. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.